Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have an awesome package from someone. They sent me like 6 boxes this week. We're gonna open this one up. We'll see who it is from. I know I'm expecting a couple packages from a couple brands that I've worked with in the past, so let's see what's in this box. I'm excited. Also, I wanted to point out that people are sending to my, I guess, nickname online, jump.raw, which is, it feels weird, feels crazy, and I'm very, I guess, blessed to reach a point in my career where I could just get stuff under my career quote-unquote name. So I'm excited for that. Anyways, let's open this baby up, and here we go. Alright friends, well, we got a couple packages here. We got 2 wands and a lens. It seems that this is a 300 telephoto lens, which is fantastic. Let's start with this one. We've done unboxing of this in the past. I believe the last time they sent me this, they did not have the packaging, so we will inspect the box and see what it comes in the new packaging. So let me put this on the side and let's focus on this. Okay, so by the way, thank you UskeyVision's for sending me all this awesome stuff. And I would like to point out that I'm using those wands. You see the magenta and the cyan right here? Those 2 wands are being used to record pretty much all of the unboxings we've done in this channel. And they sent me a phone lens. The box front has their logo on top, 4K mobile lens series, and the back there's another sticker in the bottom portion. If you would like to scan a QR code, this is the time to do so. That's their information. Nothing on the side, nothing on the bottom, and just a sticker on top. 300 millimeters telephoto lens. Let's open it up. We have a case. Looks pretty clean, and inside we have a couple items. Let's go with the boring stuff first. Those are the instructions. Feel free to read, pause, take your time. There they are. We got a cleaning cloth. We have an eye cup. That's what it looks like. We also have a clamp right here, and then it has a security lock right here, so you could tighten it up and it doesn't go anywhere. And we have the lens itself, cover to protect the glass right here. It seems that it has a focus ring right here. The back connection, got a lens cover and lens cap. I assume this is gonna be screwed over here. I think it looks pretty nice. The build itself is solid metal, like aluminum or like a metal. I like the fact that it has a focus ring. Of course, we're gonna be testing it out. Most likely it's gonna be used in live streaming session or podcast. We'll see where we go from here, and we'll let you guys know. That's it for this portion of the package. Now we're gonna check out the wands. Alright, once again, we've unboxed in the past. It has a new box. Last time it came just in a generic plain cardboard box, so this time we see packaging. We got the logo right here. We got the photo of the product itself. On the back there's some information about their company, contact info, address, website, some additional information for different places in the world, and then we got some QR codes if you like to scan. Now is the time. On the side we got a name, RBG1 stick light or light stick, either way. I assume the model number. And then on the other side it has some specs. You got your Kelvin info, from 3200 to 5600. The battery information, the information on the color, RGB, HSI control, and it has 10 scenes where you could choose from. Has the UskeyVision logo on this side, UskeyVision logo on that side as well. Let's open this up. So we get an adapter right here. You could put on a light stand or a tripod. We got our charging cable, QC, QR codes, service card. We got a little controller. You pull here, the battery should be working now. User manual, warranty card as well. Wristband holder goes in here. Cool. Carrying pouch right here with a zipper and its own handle. And this is the wand, one of my favorite products from UskeyVision. I've used it in so many products. You could actually go to their website and see one of my photos being featured on their product side for the wand. So feel free to go visit and see my work on their side too. This has the charger port right here, robust built, pretty durable. But I have the other ones for almost 3 years now. They're pretty durable and reliable too. Battery life is quite good. I've been pushing it for probably 4 hours non-stop, full power. Yeah, I think they also improved the batteries on it. They improved the packaging, they improved the build quality as well. Just a quick rundown of the buttons in the back. You got a plus and a minus. That's to control the intensity of it. Then you got your function button right here, which is for power and to change the modes on it. Power it on by holding it. You get the regular white, and then by the way, let me adjust lights. Let me make it darker so you can see here, and you could dim it down a lot. So once again, you got your plus and minus button. Next color is the warm white. You also get the red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, and then you get a flicker color light. When you press the plus and minus, you could change the type of flickering you get. So then you get your emergency light type, responders light, I guess, and then you get your flickering different colors, may be used in a club scenario. You get the slower version of that, and then you get the party hype fast version of it. You also get another mode of slow changing colors, and this is even slower. So once you hit all the way up the plus, it doesn't go anywhere else. You gotta hit the minus to go back to the other modes, and you hold this to shut down, press, turn on, hold it to shut down. Well, my friends, this was the unboxing right here. Once again, we got an awesome set of lights and a 300mm telephoto lens. We're gonna be photographing and testing out as well. Once again, you can see some of my photos on their Amazon account, on their website as well. UskeyVision, thank you so much for keep trusting in my work, for sending me such an amazing set of products this time around. I'm really excited. I'm also thankful for always being such an awesome supporter of what I do. Once again, please visit their website. Their products are amazing. They're quite affordable, and as you can see, they're been really helpful on my career as a photographer and a content creator. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was it for today. My name is Javier Morales. Don't forget to please comment down below. Let me know what you think about these products. Have you tried any of this, or if you have another brand that you use, let me know how it compares to it, and I would like to hear your opinions down below. Let's start a conversation. Please consider subscribe or sharing this content. That will help us a lot, and don't forget to put that thumbs up if you like this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.